So hi everybody and welcome to this first video on amino acids, proteins and nucleic acids, which is a part of 8th semester natural products portion. So this is the introduction video. Essentially there are three important biological polymers. The first is polysaccharides. Polysaccharides function primarily as energy reserves. They are in plants, they function as structural materials. And nucleic acids, their primary function is storage and transmission of information. However, the role of proteins is more diverse and it is even more important. So, proteins are present as enzymes and hormones. As enzymes and hormones, these proteins catalyze and regulate the reactions that occur in the body. As muscles and tendons, they provide the body with the means for movement. As skin and hair, they give the body an outer covering. As hemoglobin molecules, they transfer the all important oxygen to body's remote corners. As antibodies, they provide a means of protection against diseases. Also, in combination with other substances in bone, they provide it with structural support. So, what are these proteins and what are proteins made up of? Proteins are polyamides. Their monomeric units are composed of about 20 different amino acids. Amino acids contain two functional groups. There is one is acid functional group, carboxylic acid, and also they contain amine functional group, NH2. These are called alpha amino acids because these functional groups are present in the at the alpha carbon. So this this is a general structure of amino acids, alpha amino acids. Note that there is acid group as well as amine group to the alpha carbon that is there. So what is R? R is any side chain at the carbon, at the alpha carbon. That determines the identity of the amino acid. So proteins are long chains of these amino acids, and they are present as a sequence of these different amino acids. So let us see. So you could go on and on. So you could go on and on. And so protein, this is a portion of a protein molecule. So these are joined, these amino acids are joined together by amide linkages. So I'll just circle them, circle the amide linkages. Amide linkages are CO and NH bonds. Okay, and these R1, R2, R3, R4, and R5 could be any possible side chains. Okay, and these proteins, hydrolysis of proteins with acids or bases, yields a mixture of amino acids. You see, proteins are made up of amino acids. Hydrolysis, lysis means what? Breakage, right? Hydrolysis of proteins, of, I'll put it this way, naturally occurring proteins may yield as many as 22 different amino acids. Okay, so hydrolysis with what? Hydrolysis with acids or base. Now, the exact sequence of these proteins, the protein's primary structure is the amino acid sequence of its polyamide chain. So it is this long chain of amino acids. It could be lysine, lysine, glycine, lysine, leucine, valine, alanine, histine, and all those. Whatever it is the primary structure. It is called the primary structure. Secondary structure is the local spatial arrangement, the foldings of the polyamide polypeptides backbone, main chain atoms. Tertiary structure refers to the three-dimensional structure of the entire polypeptide chain, and the quaternary structure is three-dimensional arrangement of subunits composed of, it's a combination of an aggregate of more than one polyamide chain. So the exact sequence of different alpha amino acids along the protein chain is called the primary structure. So this is the primary structure. Folding of polyamide chain gives rise to higher levels of complexity, the secondary structure and the tertiary structure. Quaternary structure results when a protein contains an aggregate of more than one polyamide chain. So that was your brief introduction on amino acids, proteins, peptides, and nucleic acids. Thank you. See you all.